How to find square root of a perfect square by using division method. So division method is one of the very important method to find out the square root, and it is easy at the same time. It's a shortcut method apart from using the prime factorization. Okay, I'll explain you clearly this method now. So this now we will see only finding the square root of a perfect squares. So 841 is a perfect square. So it is a square of some number. So for that number, we'll see first of all how to find out the square root using this division method. Later on, we'll see decimal numbers and which are not perfect square also. We'll see how to find out the division square root by using this division method. Now 841 is a given number. We need to find out the square root for this. Right? First, this number we need to convert into periods. Periods means so every two digits I need to take one set from units place. The unit place is 1, next followed by 4. So 41 is one set. Next only 8 is left. So from right side means from the units place we need to take two digits as one period. So that is 841. So I'm going to do division method. Now 41 is one set. We can mark a line 41 and next 8 because only one number is left. So that is one period. Now in every division the down which is coming is a remainder and this right side place is a quotient. So this is a dividend and this is the left side is divisor. First step is 8. So first period is 8. Now 8 is which perfect near to which perfect number is this? We need to find out. So if you take 3 into 3 is 9. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So in this number which is near perfect square. So it's nothing but 4. Okay, because 9 is more than 8. So next before number is 4. So that means we need to write 2 2s are 4. Same we should write left side as well as right side. Here if you keep 2, same 2. Don't take 2 4s 8 like this. Not a normal division. We need to use only perfect squares. So square only should take. So 2 2s are 4. Right. Next normal division you need to subtract. So if you subtract this 8 minus 4 is 4. Now next full period we should take down. That is 41. So after subtracting 8 minus 4, next period we should take down, that is 41. Next, the method is now 2 is in this place, means this divisor place, the value in units place should be double. So here only one number 2. So if you double this, it will become 4. So unit number you should add to this divisor. That means so divisor itself only unit number here, only single number. So we need to add again 2 for that. That is 4. Now 4 is now this is a tens place. Now we need to check for units place now. So here and here should be same number again. The number is 441. Now in 4 is in tens place. Next to one more number we need to check. That is 4 in tens place. 4 into dash same number like means 41 ones are 42 twos are same should come here and here after side of the 4 at the same time side of the 2 because the squares it is. So 40 near until this 441 will come. Okay, if you do that 41 ones are 41, 42 twos are 84. So if you keep on, if you write 49 nines are is 441. So you need to keep the same number here and here always. So 49 nines are 441. Now if you subtract, this is 0. Until you get 0 you have to do. Then whatever is the number in quotient place, that is the square root of 841. So here is number is 29. So square root of 841 is equals to 29. So if you're maybe not very much clear, so I'll explain you one more example. Let us see. 7056. So you need to remember the method first. 7056. So according to method, we need to take two numbers, one pair. That is 56 is one set, 70 one set. So 7056. So I'm going to find out square root of 7056. It's a perfect square using division method. Then take the period. That means from units place to 10 place 1, next to 0 to 70. So 70 and 56. So here 70 is the first number. So first period. 70 is near to which perfect square? 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, and 8 8 is 64, and 9 9 is 81. It's more than that. So 8 8 is 64, because 9 9 is 81. It's coming more than that. So it will come more than 17 if you take 9 into 9. So in this place and here it should be same number. So 8 8 is 64, right? Now normal division, you can do subtraction. 70 minus 64 is 6. Now next period you should take down, that is 56. Now 656 is number. So what I said, now this number should be double. Units place, whatever units place should be double. So you only single digit. So if you make it double, that is 16. So if you double that, 16. So this should be double. Units place should be double. Now side of the 16, next to one more. Now 16 always units place only we need to verify. So 116 next side, if we keep 2, if I'll keep 2, same 2 also should keep here. If I'll keep 3, means 163 means here also should keep 3 only should keep. So we need to check with right side. Now 16, that gap is there. So 161 1s are, 162 2s are. So same here and here, that is important. 163 into 3, 3 and 3 is I'm not taking different 164 into 4. Now check which is near to this 656. 161 1s are 161, 162 2s are 4, and 6 2s are 12. So 324, it's not coming, but 164 4s are 656. This is 656 is coming. So you should keep 4, same 4 should be here. So 164 4s are 656. If we subtract 0, therefore square root of 7056 is equals to 84. So finally you must write which the number in the place of quotient. It's clear, right? So this is 2 periods. Next one more example I'll explain you with taking 3 periods, means more than 4 digits. You'll get some more very clarified in these problems. So I'm taking a number 17,956. So find the square root of 17,956 is equal to dash. So division method, if you do, it's very easy, we'll finish fast. So whatever the method we asked, what you need to do. Now question is 17,956. From units place onwards, you should take pair, one pair. That is 56 is one set, 79, and next only 1 is there. So 1 itself is a period. So 1 is perfect square, means 1 only. So we can write directly 1 1s are 1 itself, because same number also can come. Now if you subtract, this is 0. Next set is 79. So according to our method, this number should be double. Now here 1 right. So we should make into 2. Double means into 2. That becomes 2. Now this is 2. Then we need to check the number side. 2 and here also same numbers. Like it's 21 ones are, 22 twos are, 23 threes are. So it's almost near to 23 threes are. 23 threes are 69. Because 24 fours are, it's more than 79. Okay. If we'll take here and here should be same number. In the place of divisor and quotient should be same in units place always. So 23 threes are 69 because 24 fours are, it will be more than 79. No, 69 it is. So if we subtract, it is 10. Now take the next set, that is 56. Okay. Now here units place is 3. Now this units place 3 should add to tens number. Same extra whatever unit number is there, extra one more number should add. That is 26. Because 3 I am adding extra. If you observe here, 23 and plus 3 is equal to 26. Clear, right? In this unit place, whatever number is there, add once again add to this total number. That is nothing but units place only is double. So 26. Now 26 next number should be filled. 26 is just now you came 1 into 1 you keep. 26 2 into 2. 26 3 into 3. Same number should get. If you keep on, if you do 264 into 4, so you'll get the answer for exactly for 4. 264 4s are 1056. 0 if you subtract. Therefore square root of 17,956 is equals to 134. So this is the actually division method we need to do, finding the square root, finding division method. So using this division method, so a few problems also they'll ask. I'll show you how the questions will come from based on this division method. Let's see question. Find the least number. Find the least number which must be subtracted from 7,581 to obtain a perfect square. Find the least number. The one is the important thing is least number. It must be subtracted from 7,581. So 7,581 is a not perfect now up to now. But something if you subtract from this, then it will become perfect square. So what we need to subtract, that we have to find out. So just a normal division method only, we'll start the problem first. That is 7,581. So with the division method only, we'll start the sum. Then we can see what we need to subtract. Now 81 is one set, 75 is one period. 2 2 you should take from right side. Now if you observe, this is 8 8s 64 because 75 is near to 64, is a perfect square. Subtract this, it's 11. Take next pair, 81. Now this 8 becomes double, means that is nothing but 16. Now next place, this near is 1181. So 160, if you use calculation, 167 sevens are 1169. Now if you do subtract 12, so from extra 12 came, right? So from this what we can conclude, 87 square is less than 7581 by 12, because some extra 12 came here down. This extra 12 we need to subtract. So 87 square is not exactly equal to this, but 87 square is less than 7581 by 12. Therefore we can then subtract 7581 minus 12, that is 7569. Okay, now 7569 is a perfect square. So what is the least number means that 12, how much extra is coming, same we should do. This extra whatever will come, that we need to subtract. So that is finding the least number which must be subtracted from the any number to obtain a perfect square. Okay, some questions they'll ask what must be added. So I'll explain now. One more question. So what least number must be added? Two, 2945 to get perfect square. So here what we need to add. So 2945 also is not a perfect square, but some number if I add to this, we'll get a perfect square. Now procedure is same, but last little step will become different. 2945, you take a pair numbers 45 and 29. Fine. So 5 5s are 25. Subtract is 4. Next set is 45. This 5 becomes double is 10. Then 101 ones are 102 twos are. If you take 104 fours are 416. So if we subtract 29, now 29 extra came, but actually 54 square is less than 2945, that is less than 55 square. Okay, 2945 is less than 55 square. At the same time that is greater than 54 square. But what must be added? Then you can take 55 square. So in almost is nothing but 55 square. So 55 square is equals to, so 55 into 55, 3025. Erasing. So previous problem what must be subtract means that directly that we can subtract, which is coming extra. That is what must be added means you should go for next perfect number. So 55 square. So required number to be added, that is 55 square is 3025. From this 2945 you subtract, that is equal to 80. Okay, if you subtract, now 80 if you add to the previous number, so the 80 extra came. Therefore square root of the result number, that means 2945 plus 80. is equal to 3025 is equal to 55 square. So square root of the result number is 55. So simple thing. Only thing you remember here. Now here you got 54, right? So it is equal to 55 square now. So if you want to 55 square, what we should add? So 55 square is 3025. So if you want to get 3025, what we need to add to 2945? So what we need to add to means just subtract both 80. 80 only we should add. Okay, what must be added? That is equal to 80. And same division method concept only. One more question, similar type. Find the greatest number of find the greatest number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. So find the greatest number of 4 digits which is a perfect square. So greatest number of 4 digits. Actually 4 digit greatest number of 4 digit is 4 nines. But 4 nines is not a perfect square. But less than 9999 there is some number which is a perfect square that we need to find out. So method is same, we can start same like division method. Generally take the greatest of 4 digit number and start doing division method. Now this is 9 nines 81 18. If you take the next set 99. Okay, this 9 becomes double is 18. This is double. And 189 nines are. So just solve now. 189 nines are 1701. Fine, if we subtract, we got 198. That means clearly saying that 198 if extra is there, that if I subtract from 4 nines, we'll get the greatest number. So required number is nothing but 9099 is not perfect square, but from that this extra 198 if I subtract, then we'll get the greatest 4 digit number perfect square. So if we subtract, that is 9801. Okay, if we do division method again same, we'll get some perfect number. So 9801 is a perfect square which is greatest 4 digit number. Okay, similarly we'll get the questions. Find the least number also. Least number of 6 digits, 4 digits, like that. I'll write one last question here. In this from find the least number of 6 digits which is perfect square. Find the least number of 6 digits. So least number of 6 digits is nothing but after 5 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the least number of 6 digits. Now let's find the square root of this. Method is same. From 2 to we'll take scheme 10. So 3 3 is a 9. Subtraction is 1. Next to 2 zeros you take as it is. 3 becomes 9. Okay, sorry, 3 if you double it's 6. We should double it into 2, 6. Then 61 ones are 62 twos are, because 61 ones are 61. Then if you subtract, that is 39. Take next is period, that is 2 zeros. Now this units place is 1. So extra one more 1 I shall add to this. That becomes 62. Okay. There is nothing but 61 plus that 1. Whatever units place again you'll add. That is equal to 62. Now next place. There is 626 6 626 6 3756. So just subtract 144. So least number of 6 digits, which is a perfect square, they said. Now what we got? 316 we have. So 316 only. Even for 316 also something we need to subtract. So that means next number is 317 square. Therefore the required number, which is a 6 digit perfect square, is nothing but 317 whole square. If you multiply 317 to 317, 100,489. So quotient place we need to observe. So your quotient place is 316, but 316 also some extra number. That means 316 is less than 6 digits. So 6 digits least number. Next number is 317 square. So 1 lakh 489 is the least number of 6 digits, which is a perfect square. Fine. This is the whenever the numbers are given, integers, natural numbers, is method. Now next topic we'll see how to find the square root of numbers in decimal form. Okay, in decimal form also we'll see how to find out the square root.